Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got another super casual watch face for you all to check out before we get to the weekend. And with that, let's have a look. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and here's another super casual watch face that I think you might like, and different. It's good, right? So let's check this one out, right? The name of the watch face is called Spectrum 7. Now, if you look at it in always on mode, it pretty much gives you a nice look, digital time stacked. When it's on, I like the look when it's on. It's very simple, very basic, but very informative. Now, for those of you all who like to keep up with your exercising info, this is going to be a great watch face for you, right? As you see it listed, you get your heart rate, steps, distance walked or ran, you got your calorie info, and most important, you got your battery info as well. You look to the right of that, you get stacked time in 24 hours, for those of you all who like 24 hours, and you get the day and your date. I thought that was a good look. Now, it's not inactive to that degree, but you can go into your weather, which I thought was very cool, very different, considering that it's really not inactive. And if I tap on this, double tap, I can customize the color of the watch face. I like that. And it has some nice colors to change to. What do you think? I thought it was a good look. I thought it was worthy of a download. Again, you will want to check this one out. Take my recommendation. Let's check out watch face number 2. Face number 2. In the door, you got to take my recommendation for these two watch faces as well. You want to check these out in the Gear Manager store. You will not regret it. Trust me. Now, the name of the watch face is called KDw Grad02. Nice looking watch face, very colorful, in always on mode. It looks just as good. I'm going to give the developer 2 thumbs up for the creativity on the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, I'm loving the design. The whole layout is nice, very clean. You got your year at the top, you got your money, your date right up under it. You got your digital time that's spread it out. And you also get info on your steps, calories burned, your heart rate. You can set an alarm. You can also get info on your battery percentage as well. If you look up at the top to the right, you also got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which looks pretty nice. And if I tap here, it's going to bring me to my recents, so I can go through all my recent applications that I've been through if I want to. So I'm thinking this was a good look. You can also go into your calendar. I'm thinking they did their thing with this watch face, but check this out. With double tap, we're going to go through some of the different colors, designs that this watch face has to offer. And again, you're going to be surprised at what you see once you go to the Gear Manager store to download this. The colors are very vibrant. The design changes from color to color. Nice look. I'm thinking download is a must. And keep going through it because it has quite a bit to change to. So what do you think? You think you're going to check it out in the Gear Manager store? Hit me in the comment section down below and let me know. Already have. I'm playing this one tomorrow as well. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you take my word for this. And if you like this video, don't leave without hitting the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.